Let's start with the first 25 questions, starting with spotting errors. All right. The pile of books are missing. अब हमें याद है pile यहाँ पे use किया गया है मेन वर्ड, ये singular है, collective noun है, books भले plural हो, तो pile पर जो गुच्छा है, गुच्छा एक ही है, तो is missing. Either he or I, अब either or use किया गया है तो subject singular रहेगा, am wrong, और I पास में है यहाँ पे, तो इसलिए I के हिसाब से लगेगा. प्लीज टेल टू हिम टू डू हिज वर्क. नहीं, टेल के साथ टू नहीं लगता है, ये देखा है हमने प्रेपोजिशंस में, देखा है चौथे लेक्चर में 21st. गो एंड चेक इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर. प्लीज टेल हिम टू डू हिज वर्क. दो ही इज गुड, ही इज मिस्चीवियस. यस, दैट इज अमेजिंग. दो के साथ बट नहीं लगता, बट लगा होता तो गलत हो जाता. कि दो इज गुड बट ही इज मिस्चीवियस, वो शायद चेक कर रहे हैं. ये चेक किया जाता है, दो के साथ बट लगा देंगे, यहाँ पे बोलेंगे दो ही इज गुड बट ही इज मिस्चीवियस. तो दो और बट दोनों साथ में नहीं लगेंगे. तो बट लगेगा या दो लगेगा बेटा? तो कहो बेटा से थैंक यू वाली बात हो गई. वरना The thief hit me suddenly and hardly. Hardly नहीं, hardly मतलब कि मारा ही नहीं, छुआ ही नहीं. He hit me hardly मतलब ऐसा हुआ कि मारा ही नहीं, लग रहा था कि मारा ही नहीं. Hard वो कहना चाह रही, suddenly and hard, or in a hard manner. Suddenly and hard, जोर से मारा. So C will be the correct option there. Let's move on to the next one. The number of books in our library is less. All right. So this is where the India kind of makes mistakes sometimes. The UPSC kind of makes mistakes sometimes. अब the number of books अगर हम कह रहे हैं तो एक बार इंडिया ने इसको सिंगुलर माना है, यहाँ पे प्लूरल बताना चाह रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं लेस नहीं होना चाहिए, few होना चाहिए या तो, और काउंटेबल हो जाएगा the number of books is not one, the number वैसे काउंटेबल नहीं होगा, is few books. So let's keep it at that. Less नहीं होगा, काउंटेबल है इसलिए few होगा. The general said, soldiers do not fire till I will give the order. No, till I do not fire till I give the order. So that is what is incorrect in this. Do not fire till I give the order. Not till I will give the order. Till I, simple present. Alright. Neither of the candidates are, neither singular होता है बेटा, is good. 8th B. 9th. The machine is more efficient than any other equipment in the workshop. Equipments plural में नहीं आता. Any other pieces, any other piece of equipment, all other pieces of equipment, any other equipment in the workshop. So 9th C. And finally 10, the tin deposits in that area would probably be exhausted in the near future. In the near future, in the future, future is a noun being used here, an adjective being used here as a noun. We've already done this. An adjective is, go and check if you do not remember. Near will then be the adjective which is modifying that noun, an adjective which is acting as a noun. So the is the article that is required for future, the future, in the near future. The operation of this machine is different from that, of the other. It's different, you're different from something, it is different from something, not different to. You're indifferent to something, that means you do not care about it, you're apathetic towards it. The operation of this machine is different from that of the other. All right, sentence improvement. I don't remember exactly when I went to Shimla last year. So when did I go to Shimla last year? ये question बन जाएगा, interrogative structure है. When did I go to Shimla last year? We're not talking about a question here. We're making a statement that I don't remember exactly when I went. So when I went होगा 12th का C is the correct option. All right. Even he worked hard, he failed in the examination. Although he worked hard, हालांकि तो concession, adverb of concession. Although he worked hard, he failed in the examination. All right. He was asked to arbitrate with two merchants in a dispute. To arbitrate between. Yes, to arbitrate with, nahi, to arbitrate between. You arbitrate between two people or arbitrate among more than two. So you arbitrate between two merchants in a dispute. Everybody is definitely the cleverer between the two. Cleverer of the two. So here the best is of, between any, between the two. Among नहीं, among two के लिए use नहीं होगा, of use होगा. He is definitely the cleverer of the two. उन दोनों का, of the two. He is resembling his father. No, he resembles. हमें याद है resembles ऐसे जो perception वाले verbs होते हैं, वो continuous tense में use नहीं किए जाते ऐसे. He resembles his father. 16C, 17. Would you mind closing the window? Yes, very good, completely correct. There is nothing incorrect in this. Do you mind? Would you mind closing the window? या please क्या आपको बोलने का तरीका ये है क्या आप बंद कर दोगे? Would you mind क्लोजिंग द विंडो हिंदी में एग्जैक्टली अगर लिटरल अनुवाद किया जाए, ट्रांसलेशन किया जाए, तो क्या आपको विंडो बंद करने में दिक्कत होगी? तो ऐसे बोलते नहीं, पर हम हिंदी में विंडो बंद करने में दिक्कत होगी तो थोड़ा नेगेटिव लिया जाता है कि हम ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि यार कर नहीं रहे हो, कि तुम्हारे कैसे कितनी दिक्कत हो रही है कि विंडो बंद नहीं कर पा रहे हो तुम। तो बट इन इंग्लिश इट्स कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ courtesy, a courteous call, a courteous request, would you mind closing the window, कि प्लीज यार विंडो बंद कर दीजिए, ऐसा मतलब कि क्या प्लीज विंडो बंद कर पाएंगे आप, ऐसा। ऑलराइट, it can be grateful, I can be grateful if you could write to me, I would be grateful if you could write to me about it, can be नहीं, would be, I would be grateful if you could write to me about it, मैं होऊंगा आभारी, मैं हो पाऊंगा नहीं, मैं होऊंगा। Majority of the passengers could have been saved if the driver had applied the brakes in time. Very good, this is perfect, no improvement. The majority of the passengers could have been saved. बिल्कुल बचाए जा सकते थे। He is living in this house for the past 10 years. He has been living. अब for और since हमें याद है, continuous नहीं, या तो perfect या perfect continuous के साथ use किया जाता है, तो he has been living for the past. Yes, for the past. Has been living is the best. You can make an argument for had been living as well, but has been living is the better option here. He is knowing the secret. No, he knows. Again, knows. A verb of perception cannot be used in the continuous tense. 21st. A, he knows. The meeting has been put off to Friday next. Yes, put off. Absolutely correct. Put on, put out, put for. You put out a fire. You put on a dress. You put for. That can be used in gambling maybe, but we shouldn't. If you will come with me, I shall be happy. If you come with me, I shall be happy. If के साथ याद है वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट जिस पर निर्भरता होती है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट जो निर्भर होता है वो फ्यूचर में, I shall be happy फ्यूचर हो गया. If you come with me, 23rd A, you've done this in conditional sentences, go and revise 36th chapter. If you do not, that will help you out. Alright, now let's do two of these fill in the blanks. When the police arrived, the thief ran away. Galloped नहीं, gallop घोड़ा होता है. Moved, strolled वाला आराम से चलना, moved away तो ये हो गया कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट हो गए, कि एक घर छोड़ के दूसरे घर में चले गए, नहीं भाई, ran away. 24th, D is the best option. 25th, he dash as an officer, his dash as a was not quite satisfactory, his record as an officer was not quite satisfactory. So his record, his deed is doing, is acting as an officer, his record as an officer, ये vocabulary का पार्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा लिटरेचर का पार्ट है। बचपन से आपने बहुत सारी स्टोरीज इंग्लिश में, लिटरेचर अच्छी पढ़ी होगी अपने स्कूल वूल के टाइम पे, all these questions become very easy. If not, and if you have time enough, please read classic literature. क्लासिक लिटरेचर पढ़ने के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज करनी है, आईसीएसई की जो बुक्स हैं फर्स्ट से लेकर 12th तक की, जो इंग्लिश की बुक्स हैं, पोएम और प्रोज की, और जो नॉवल और जो प्ले यूज किया जाता है उसमें, जूलियस सीजर, पिग्मेलियन, आई थिंक, read them, read those, they're amazing, they will help you a lot with your English, along with use them for comprehension practice. उसमें 12th 11th 12th की जो बुक्स हैं उसमें जो चैप्टर्स हैं और उसके साथ क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, they are good comprehension practice. अगर आप प्रॉपरली कॉम्प्रिहेंशन उस बुक का कर पाओगे तो एनडीए करना तो बहुत ही आसान होगा। तो जस्ट ऑलवेज बी ओवर प्रिपेयर्ड, ऐसा नहीं बेयर मिनिमम ना करो कि बस यार किसी तरह से मिनिमम कर लें, मिनिमम ना करो बेटा, मैक्सिमम करो, इतना ज्यादा कर लो कि एक चैलेंज ही ना रहे आपके लिए, एग्जाम आपके लिए मजाक बन जाए। द two children stood at the end of the table. टर्मिनल नहीं बेटा, टर्मिनल टेबल का नहीं होता है, टर्मिनल किसी जंक्शन का, रेलवे लाइन का होता है, कंक्लूजन किसी मैटर का होता है, किसी वस्तु का नहीं होता है, वस्तु का एंड होता है। तो 26th C is the best option here. 27, the old man was dash weak to open, too weak to open, हमने क्या हुआ है 2 में, too weak to, so weak that he could not open the door. अगर so लगता है यहाँ पे तो the old man was so weak that he couldn't open the door, isn't it? Yeah, so weak that he couldn't open the door. All right. Now you got antonyms. Antonyms opposite बताना उसका frail. Frail होता है बहुत ही कमजोर, उसका antonym हो जाएगा strong. Indigenous. Indigenous मतलब अपने घर की चीज, जैसे आप देश, जो आपका देश है उस देश की चीज. So indigenous का opposite हो जाएगा foreign. Indigenous मतलब local, opposite हो जाएगा foreign. Poverty. Poverty मतलब गरीबी, adversity, diversity अलग है. Prosperity इसका exact opposite है यहाँ पे, समृद्धि. Poverty गरीबी, prosperity समृद्धि. 31st 30th. Wholesome. Wholesome मतलब पूर्णतः. होलसम का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे अनहेल्दी, क्योंकि अनहेल्दी के लिए यूज, अगर होलसम फूड के लिए यूज हो रहा है तो वैसे होलसम कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर सम अदर एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल, तो वो अनहेल्दी नहीं होगा, उसका एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट। बट यहाँ पे अनहेल्दी इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। आई थिंक होलसम फूड बनाने वाले ने होलसम के साथ फूड के बारे में सोचा होगा, तो होलसम फूड अनहेल्दी फूड, wholesome diet, unhealthy diet. All right. Now you got the comprehension. Comprehension में always remember we'll start with reading the questions first. Questions पढ़ के हमें थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा comprehension किस बारे में है. In a free country, one who becomes a leader. So free country में leader के बारे में है. Hitler became a leader because Hitler के बारे में है. The passage seems to suggest that. The passage suggests something. Let's see. In a free country, the man who reaches the position of leader is usually one of outstanding character and ability. Must be of outstanding, must show qualities of character of an early age, generally remarkable character, and generally must see that his country is free from despair. So we see in a country the man who reaches the position of leader, usually one, usually नहीं, must be नहीं, होना ही चाहिए नहीं, usually लिखा है, तो usually का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, is generally, generally of a remarkable character and ability, क्योंकि usually लिखा है, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा हो। जैसे कभी कभी होता है कि आपको लीडरशिप की पोजीशन में आपका जन्म होता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बहुत मेहनत करके और अपनी काबिलियत दिखाकर आपको लीडर बनाया गया है, नहीं, ऐसा है कि आपका नाम, जो सरनेम है आपका, उसके कारण आपके ऊपर लीडरशिप थोपी जा रही है। तो कुछ लोग भाई महान पैदा होते हैं, कुछ लोग महानता अचीव करते हैं, कुछ लोगों पर महानता थोप दी जाती है। तो जरूरी नहीं है कि जो लीडर है वो हमेशा आउटस्टैंडिंग कैरेक्टर और एबिलिटी का हो। संभव है कि किसी के नाम की वजह से उसको लीडरशिप मिली हो। Moreover, it is usually possible to foresee that we will reach such a position since early in life one can see his qualities of character. और ज्यादातर ऐसा होता है कि उसको देख पाते हैं कि आगे बढ़ के कुछ करेगा, क्योंकि बचपन से ही उसकी वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स चमक रही होती हैं। But this is not always true in the case of a dictator. Often he reaches his position of power through chance, very often through the unhappy state of his country. पर जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा तानाशाह के लिए सही हो। लीडर, नेता और तानाशाह दोनों अलग अलग चीजें हैं। ज्यादातर तानाशाह कैसे पहुंचता है अपने पावर पे? चांस की वजह से, लक की वजह से, या वेरी ऑफन टू द अनहैप्पी स्टेट ऑफ हिज कंट्री, या फिर क्योंकि उसके देश में बहुत दुखद स्थिति है, इस कारणवश वो तानाशाह बनता है। इट इज पॉसिबल दैट हिटलर वुड नेवर हैव बिकम अ लीडर ऑफ जर्मनी द कंट्री हैड नॉट बीन ड्रिवन टू डिस्पेयर। संभव है कि हिटलर जर्मनी का लीडर ना बन पाता अगर कि जर्मनी में बहुत ज्यादा दुख ना होता। सो हिटलर बिकेम अ लीडर बिकॉज जर्मनी वाज इन डिस्पेयर। 33rd again, 33rd. C option is correct. Germany was in despair. यहाँ लिखा देखो हमने कि Hitler would never have become the leader of Germany. The country had not been driven to despair. So he was a leader because Germany was in despair. The passage seems to suggest that despair sometimes leads to dictatorship. Hitler was no leader. Leader is chosen only by free country. Leader foresees his future position. Despair sometimes leads to dictatorship. That is what the passage is coming to. It is talking about Hitler. Why Hitler became a leader? Not because he showed great skill or characteristics or character, but because his country was in despair. Passage 2. The passage tells us that dogs के बारे में, medals are awarded to some dogs for medals भी जा रहे हैं dogs को. The passage implies that, कुछ imply कर रहा है passage, the phrase aristocratic bloodhound in the passage means aristocratic bloodhound। देखें कहाँ लिखा है। The dog is a very intelligent animal and can be trained for many duties, of course. Some dogs work with the police and the army as sentries and trackers, and there are medals that are awarded to dogs for bravery in action. So medals are awarded to some dogs for their brave deeds. Bravery in action, 36th A, their brave deed, इसका आंसर मिल गया हमें। Other dogs act as seeing eyes for the blind, and some breeds are specially trained for rescue work among mountains and snow. Jobs like herding sheep and cattle and gardening homes are also done by them. Whenever man lives and works in the Arctic Circle, in the desert, in the jungle, in the moors or mountains, the dog is his faithful companion and help. A common mongrel may possess these qualities just as much as the aristocratic bloodhound. Common mongrel मतलब सड़क का कुत्ता, aristocratic bloodhound मतलब बहुत thoroughbred, अच्छी breed, बड़ी breed वाला कुत्ता। तो aristocratic मतलब यहाँ पे a pedigree dog, a pedigree dog, a pedigree dog मतलब अच्छी breed वाला, एक proper breed वाला bred कुत्ता, जानी मानी breed वाला। Doberman हो गए, Rottweilers हो गए और Kangals हो गए, जो भी Kangal whatever. The passage implies that only dogs are faithful but not man. Man would have felt helpless without dog. The dog has certain qualities that make man's trustworthy companion. C. A dog has certain qualities that make it man's trustworthy companion. That is the best option here. And we got one more. The passage tells us dogs can be trained to do different kinds of work, give difficult work or different times. So they have great help to can be trained to do different kinds of work. 35th ka A is the best option that I see. All right. I got selecting words. This is a close composition. Close composition कैसा होता है? आपको हर ऑप्शन पे 3 वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उसमें से कोई एक वर्ड वहां पे मैच करेगा. ये ऑप्शन की जगह यहाँ पे आप ब्लैंक मान लो. यहाँ ब्लैंक में या तो ये या ये लगेगा. तो केन रोजबॉल, a brilliant youngster and already a master of worldwide experience, master with worldwide experience. That brilliant youngster और the brilliant youngster, let's see क्या लगेगा यहाँ पे. पूरा पैसेज पढ़ के फिर हम लोग इसको समझेंगे. Drobny defied the critics. He had played through the Wimbledon fortnight and reached the final. Could he win just one more match and take the crown, or would he fail again at the last test and justify those who said that he lacked that little extra something that makes the champion? His opponent was the Australian Ken Rosewall, a brilliant youngster. So now we're talking about Australian Ken Rosewall. Who was he? He was a brilliant youngster and already a master with worldwide experience behind him. So with worldwide experience behind him. 40 ka A, he had worldwide experience behind him. Jaroslav Drobny, the son of a Czech carpenter. A son of the Czech carpenter नहीं, a son नहीं, the son. अब यहाँ पे the son है, वो son है, वो बेटा है उसका Czech carpenter का. The son of a Czech carpenter who had started the boy off, who had started the carpenter had started the boy. So 41st C, 42 A, off at the age of 5. Yes, age of 5. So the son of a Czech carpenter had started the boy off at the age of 5 with a wooden bat in lieu of. In lieu of हमने अभी prepositions में देखा था. In lieu of a racket, कि in the place of a racket. Racket की जगह उसने bat से ही शुरू करवाया था उसको tennis खिलवाना. So in lieu of prepositional phrase है the 4th lecture of prepositions. Go back and check that if you do not remember. I think it's the 21st lecture if I'm not mistaken. I'm not mistaken, obviously. Alright, no forget. Went on to the famous center court at Wimbledon. Went on to the famous center court at Wimbledon that day with the full knowledge. Yes, went on to the famous center court at Wimbledon that day. That day, उस दिन जिस दिन खेल रहा है वो उस दिन की बात हो रही है. That day, with the full knowledge that this would be the game of his life, or this can be the game of his life. 47th, the full knowledge that this must be the game of his life. Life तो ठीक है. 48th A. Here we can have both. We can have it can be, it would be, knowing full well that this would be the game of his life. Why not? So that this must be the game of his life. He had kept on trying and he keep on trying and he could keep on trying, but matches would. So he had kept on trying and he could keep on trying. 49th A, he could keep on trying, but dash would become fewer and fewer. So opportunities would become fewer and fewer. He knew that he had to gain advantage from the start and he had this young rival set off against him. तो बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. इसमें सारे ऑप्शंस आपने अलग अलग पढ़ने हैं. अलग अलग ऑप्शंस पढ़ के उसको लगा के फिर शुरू से अगर आप एक बार पैसेज पढ़ेंगे तो एवरीथिंग विल मेक सेंस. सी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ड्रॉबनी डिफाइड द क्रिटिक्स. उसने जो क्रिटिक्स थे उनके विपरीत वो उसके अगेंस्ट चला गया, मतलब उनको गलत साबित कर दिया. He had played through the Wimbledon fortnight and reached the final. उसने विंबलडन के फाइनल तक पहुंच गया वो. Could he win just one more match and take the crown, or would he fail again at the last test and justify those who had said that he lacked that extra something that makes a champion? क्या वो आखिरी वाला जीत पाएगा या हार जाएगा और उन सब लोगों को सत्य बता देगा जो कहते हैं कि उसके अंदर वो चीज नहीं है जो चैंपियन के अंदर होनी चाहिए. His opponent was the Australian Ken Rosewall, a brilliant youngster and already a master with worldwide experience behind him. Jaroslav Drobny, the son of a Czech carpenter who had started the boy off at the age of 5 with a wooden bat in lieu of a racket, went on to the famous center court at Wimbledon that day with the full knowledge that this can be the game of his life or would be the game of his life. that this would be. Went on that this will be. Alright. So NDA says must. We will go ahead with it. That must, but it doesn't make sense to me. He went on with full knowledge that this must be the game of his life. He went on with full knowledge that this maybe could be or would be the game of his life. But India says must. Let's just keep it at that for now. Game of his life. He had kept on trying and he could keep on trying, but opportunities would become fewer and fewer. He knew that he had to gain advantage from the start and he had this young rival set off against him. So बस वो मार्क करके एक बार फिर से आप पैसेज पढ़ लें, देख लें if it makes sense. कोई पार्ट अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा उसको स्किप करें, ना करें, वो रिस्क ना लें. एक मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन सेट करके रखेंगे भाई इतने क्वेश्चंस तो मैंने करने ही करने हैं, बाकी जो क्वेश्चंस है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेना है. बैलेंस आउट करके अपने मैथ्स, जीएस और इंग्लिश को आपने क्रैक कर पाने के लिए उस एग्जामिनेशन को प्रिपेयर करना है. और जो भी प्रॉब्लम आपको अभी बहुत टाइम है, जिस वक्त भी आप इसको देख रहे हैं, मुझे आई एम श्योर देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर अहेड. व्हाटएवर topics you're not being able to cover, make sure that you're looking for proper resources for that, understanding it from every possible way. Try to understand it from every possible source that is available and solve as many questions as possible. Come join us here if you need more resources. And that's that for today. I will see you in the next one.